Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Phonics tongue twister in a minute, where we twist our tongues and sharpen our sounds. One sound, 1 minute. Let's dive in. Today, we are gonna talk about sound and w sound. W. In the beginning, we have rat, wood. In the middle, we have horse, sandwich. In the end, we have four. It's time for our tongue twister, so be ready. Let's start slow and speed up as we go. We were riding on the rocky road. We were riding on the rocky road. Faster. We were riding on the rocky road. We were riding on the rocky road. We were riding on the rocky road. We can listen now.
We were riding on the rocky road.
Again.
We were riding on the rocky road.
Well done. Here we have rolling red wagons. Rolling red wagons. Faster. Rolling red wagons. Rolling red wagons. Rolling red wagons. We can listen now.
Rolling red wagons.
Again.
Rolling red wagons.
Test your tongue now. Keep up the good work. Bye.